Hi guys.
Welcome back to Robertson's Belly Acres.
Waka waka.
It is ceiling day, you guys.
Woo, woo.
Yay! So we're gonna get started. We did go rent a lift to be able to assist.
Yes.
But we do. Let's see. Rusty's.
We went to J&K Equipment Rentals, you guys. If you're around the Tulsa area, Collinsville,
Yes.
J&K is awesome.
We've rented from them before when we
Yes.
were doing the main house. So yes, definitely hit them up if you are around this area.
Yes.
We do have some help coming today.
Yes, special guests.
Special guests. We were not expecting it. But yeah, they're actually on their way. So you guys will see who that is.
We happened to pop into a live last night and they invited us up on the panel. If you've been watching that channel, you know who we're talking about. If not,
you'll
what's
find
Cindy
out here in a
always say?
minute.
Hide and watch.
Hide and watch. Cindy from Pathways Homestead.
Yes.
Hide and watch.
Hide and watch.
All right, so here we go. We're going to get started, you guys. Ooh, our voice echoes. All right, we like to try to address some of the questions as we're going along and we think of them.
Yes.
One of the questions that we got was, is the little black dog Momma's dog? So let's introduce, if you're new
to the channel,
this is Momma's dog. His name is Shadow. He was a rescue, and he has been Momma's companion since my dad passed away. My brother's girlfriend, Seesii, you guys probably saw her in the last couple of videos. She got Shadow, rescued Shadow from a shelter, and then when my dad passed away, she gave Shadow to my mom, and they are inseparable.
Yes.
He's been to California with us. He's just the go little guy. So he is Momma's.
Yes.
And this is new. This is a new one.
This is a new member of our family. This is Miss Piper.
Piper.
She also came from
Felix
and Stacy. They were gifted a couple pups, a couple dachshunds, and they bred them. And this is the Momma. She's 3 years old. And
her name is Piper, and she's very important.
Yes, and if you don't believe us, just ask her.
Just ask her. She is a very important girl.
She picks her seat, and that's where she sits. You have to move her, because she will not move for you to sit down.
No. And Piper and Shadow, they made fast friends.
Yes,
and
well, they knew each other before.
Yes, because my mom used to live there with Felix. But I don't think they had Piper back then.
I don't think so.
Yeah. But they made fast friends, and they hang out. They run around together. So these are the little dogs, the little inside dogs.
Yes. So Shadow is Momma's, and Piper is Rachel's.
Yes.
I say she's Rachel's. She follows me everywhere.
She does. She is Rusty's. I think she's more of a...
If we're outside moving around, she's mine. If we're inside sitting, she's Rachel's, because she has to be under the blanket.
Yes, and Rusty hardly ever covers up with a blanket, but I cover up a lot when we're watching TV, and so she likes that.
Yes.
Yes. She's like, why are y'all talking about me? And you're just trembling. We have heaters going in here, and they can be inside with Momma, but they don't want to be inside. They want to be out here nosy.
Yes, and so not saying that the insulation is working in here, you guys. This morning when I came out, it was, what did I say, 37 degrees outside?
Yes.
37 outside. It was 42 in here. I turned our tower heater on that we got from Dreo. If you've been watching this very long, you saw we did a review on the Dreo heaters. This is the tower that we have out here. I turned it on. It was on probably about an hour. I come out and check the temperature again. It was already up to 50. So, I mean, that's not real fast, but that's a tower heater. It's 52, I think, is what it was. I turned on another little heater that we have back there. Another 30 minutes, we're up to 57 and climbing. So we are warming up. We're feeling good. We're feeling positive for January 1st, 2025. We're ringing in the new year with some labor and some good friends coming. So here's Rachel to tell you guys Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
No, we're ringing in the new year with some hard labor.
Yes,
it's
and
a labor of love.
The superstition says whatever you're doing on the New Year's is what you will be doing for the rest of the year. So how exciting is it that we are working on Mama's house and up and moving and
The only
getting
downfall of that is I don't want to be doing drywall all year.
Well,
we're just gonna be working.
Yeah, working.
All right, you guys, if you've been watching us on this build very much, you have seen me using my Impact. This is a Seesii brand, 21 volt. It is the WH700. It is an Impact that they send the attachment to make it into a screw gun. I have used this thing a lot out around the Homestead. Nuts that I couldn't break loose with lug nuts with a 4-way. I'm jerking and prying on it. I put this bad boy on there and it hammered just a little bit and broke them loose for me. Lots and lots of torque. It's a pretty well balanced machine. I mean, not exact because it does have a big battery on it, but it's got some weight to it, which I like. But you know, it has been a lifesaver. Go check them out. We will put a discount code in the description. But Seesii, and they make a lot of different stuff. We have worked with them before. We've gotten a mini chainsaw from them before. We've got a couple other items in the works. So go check out Seesii, and it's well worth the money.
All right, so we ran into a little bit of an issue. We need to make some room so that it will, see how we have it in the center of the 2x4 here, but as it comes across, it comes flush. So we just need to cut around those boards just so that we can slide it just a hair.
Yes.
Just a hair, Rusty.
Just a little bit.
So now we'll try pushing it. Do I need to release?
So I just gotta move my ladder so I can get some. I'm gonna have to cut a little bit more. I'm going to go to that one next. That one and this one need a little bit more.
That one.
Okay, the new 2x, and then this one.
We're getting closer, guys.
Well,
Hi,
hello. Hello.
How are you?
It worked, huh?
Yes.
Well,
Welcome to our mess.
everything's looking good.
Looking real good. We got one sheet out.
Yay! No.
Hey,
I like it.
that's definitely what's up.
Oh. All right, now that, you know, we're stuffing our faces with tortillas that Mom sent out.
Free game.
Free game. Look who's here! Yay! It is Lenard Mountain Homestead. Woohoo! Amy and Chris came out to hang out.
Got
Amy
some
and
garbage.
Chris. Chris and Amy.
I said,
It's kind of a one thing.
Yeah.
It's a one size
It'll
fits
be
all.
all right.
that is very true.
Uh-huh.
If we go anywhere and one of us is not with the other one, it doesn't matter. Where's Rusty? Where's Rachel? Yeah, y'all become one.
Exactly.
Yes.
So, guess what, guys? Felix is back. Hi, Uncle Felix.
Hi.
But now he's not working on Mama's house. He's working on Mama's van. He's a... Yeah. Good. You know, feet and a couple of jacks.
Jack of all trades, master at none.
I was gonna say he's kind of a good guy to have around. We come out like buzzards.
Fix it, Felix.
Okay, now.
Felix.
All right, now I'm not shining a light into the camera.
Yeah, fix it, Felix.
Oh, fix it, Felix. Look.
Yes, yes.
Yes, fix it, Felix.
Is that better than Wreck-It Ralph?
I just bang a lot and, you know, cross my fingers and a little prayer and a little dance. And if it works, I'm like, yeah, I fixed it. If it doesn't work, I'm like, there's no fixing it.
So
Look
see,
like a Christmas turkey.
yes, look.
He's blending in. He's hot.
He's camouflage.
Boom.
So what did Tim Conway say that those Siamese elephants did?
Snorkel.
Go give me a blanket.
Yes. Were you cold, Mom?
I was cold.
Oh,
Okay.
I'm sorry. Oh, look.
She needs. She needs inside her cabin. She can be the supervisor.
Yeah, you can go in
know,
there.
in the chair.
She's thinking, yeah, I'm not going to go in there with those crazy dudes.
All right. You got that.
Down too.
so awesome help. Thank you
Yes,
guys so
thank
much.
you guys so much.
You're welcome.
Yes, it was awesome. We've got the ceiling in, so that was
If it wouldn't have been for Amy hanging that up there, we wouldn't be done.
you know. All right, you guys. Well, I hope you like our videos. If you do, please hit the like button.
Subscribe if you haven't already.
Yep, share with your friends.
Leave us some comments, you guys. Let us know what you think of this tiny house build. There's a lot going on. It's really coming together quick now.
With all the help, you guys. We
Yes,
have
all the help we've
just been
had.
blessed with
The
so much help.
family, excellent friends coming to help you guys. But most of all, don't forget to smash that bell and get notified of the next new video when it comes out.
Yep. Until next time, you guys. God bless.
See ya.
Bye.
Hey, you guys, just a really quick note to say there are more antics that were recorded on Lenard Mountain Homestead's channel, so be sure to check out that video today as well. I am pretty sure she is dropping that video today as well, so if you are not subscribed to Lenard Mountain Homestead, please go do so. They are amazing people, amazing friends, and they also have part video. I don't know what all Amy caught, but I'm sure there's a lot more antics on her channel.